A scene at railway platform. A railway platform is a place full of excitement and attention catching. Here we come across all kinds of people, the rich and the poor, the educated, the illiterate, the young and the old, all waiting for the train. On the railway station, we can see people running to and fro from one platform to another, or checking up the arrival or departure of the trains, while some can be seen at ticket counter, bookstalls, or at the eatable joints. There is always a large crowd on the platform, and the people can be seen reading newspapers or studying train schedules or maps. A few can be seen pacing up and down the platform. At some places, one can hear the cries of children, while some can be seen troubling their parents. One can also see ladies, children, and men sitting on their luggages due to lack of seats. Sometimes certain passengers can be seen quarreling with coolies over the charges, while passengers can also be seen cracking jokes to pass their time. When the train is departing, passengers can be seen jostling and elbowing each other to board the train. At the same time, passengers can be seen sipping tea at tea stalls or buying magazines, while some children cling to their parents in the rush and some try to locate their kith and kin. After short intervals, the announcements from the loudspeaker about the train schedule for arrival or departure can be heard, which divert the passengers' attention from their activities. Indeed, with so many characters and activities, railway platform appears like a colorful stage.